welcome to Puan Fazlinda and my fellow classmates. Today I'm gonna present about one unique and very useful product. Okay, have you guys heard about Apple Smartwatch Series 5? Don't worry, we are gonna present about it today. So this Apple Watch Series 5, you can see the picture in the screen. This is Apple Watch Series 5. You can see the uh, shape and the type of buildings and the color of this watch. Okay, so this watch comes out with several types of wristband, which is classic leather wristband and a cloth jeans wristband and a metal chained pattern wristband and a lot. So this watch also has a lot of features which can be very helpful and beneficial to the humans. Okay, the features are, first of all, it has a always on retina display. Always on retina display means some of the important information does not goes off. It will be always on and it will always will be displayed on the screen. So this watch has its time and some important informations will be displayed on the screen every time. It will never go off. So it will make the user to be easier to find out the time and some important informations. So number two is this watch has a navigation feature. This navigation feature makes someone lost to find their way back to their destiny or lead their way back to their destination, home, or anything. So this navigation will help someone lost to get way back to their home or to any of the places that they are want when they doesn't have a map or when they don't remember the way to that destiny. Okay, the next feature about this Apple Watch Series 5 is it has an international emergency calling. This international emergency calling allows us to call or allows us to place an emergency call from any region of this world. And this international emergency calling has a very unique feature, which is fall detection. The fall detection works when the fall detection feature detects the user has an hard fall and being remaining motionless for about a minute. It also automatically places an emergency call to reach out for help to rescue the user. Okay, the next thing about this watch is it has a durable battery. Is its single charge can last up to 1.5 days. So the user has no worries to charge it or always charge it and don't even have to worry about its power consumption. So the user can keep on using it from their wake until they go to the bed. So last but not least, the last feature of this watch is keep track on our fitness. So this feature is a unique feature among smartwatches, and this Apple Watch Smart 5 does a lot in this keep track of our fitness. It always calculates our footsteps, it always keep track of our water level in the body, our cholesterol level, and our it also keeps track of our quality of the sleep when we are in the sleep, and it also gives the information of our sleep is we had a good sleep or a bad sleep. So this always makes the users and humans to keep track of their fitness and always maintain a healthy fitness life and a healthy lifestyle. So that's it from me. Thank you.
So hello guys. So previously as what my partner has mentioned about, so today we are going to promote about our Apple Smartwatch Series 5. So how can a smartwatch, how can a product can long last in a market without any cool characteristics or without any cool functions? So there must be a cool characteristics in this product as well, right? So probably now you will be wondering, yeah, as what he mentioned, there must be some cool characteristics in this watch as well. So if you don't know and if you want to know it, okay, let's have a look on what is it. Okay, and first for the most, in this watch, the Apple industry has introduced a new case material which is made up of titanium. Wow, can you just imagine how does this case made of? This case is actually a strong rectangular case which is made up of titanium. So this is super strong, and due to this strong material, we won't often hear the problem about my watch fall down and the case broke, or the watch slipped from my hand and the case broke. So by this titanium material, we could minimize the problem that we hear about that. Okay, so when I mentioned about the titanium metal, right? So probably you'll be wondering, oh, maybe the watch is slightly heavy and it is slightly uncomfortable for us to just wear it on our wrist and just walk, run, or swim. Am I right? Okay, actually, it is not. This watch is engineered in a super fantastic way. Why am I mentioning is because this watch is super strength to weight ratio, as in it is portable and lightweight design. So as in this watch is actually lighter than a stainless steel metal. If you don't know what does a stainless steel metal looks like, actually the fork and spoon that we often use in our home or in our restaurant or any other dining that we go, how light is it? Am I right? And this watch is even lighter than that. So just imagine you are wearing the watch that is super light and just walking, swimming, running. Why am I mentioning swimming? Is because this watch is water resistant as well. Okay, let's go for the next characteristics. What are the next characteristics is this watch has a natural titanium which is custom engineered surface which helps to maintain its color and resist staining. And this is beautifully brushed finishes. Why am I mentioning is because probably often we hear, okay, when we buy a product for the first time, not to say that for the first time, the new product that we buy, right? Of course, the color is attractive, but as the time goes, the time flies, and the product goes older and older, the color fades, and there will be scratches all over the case. In this super fantastic and fine engineered system, we won't see the problem. In this natural titanium customized engineered surface, it helps us to maintain its cool, attractive, and shining color. As you can see, this rose gold watch, am I right? This might look like pink, but it's actually slightly rose gold. And you see the edges of the rectangular shape, it is super shiny and perfectly finely brushed. And due to the titanium, there will be a low risk of scratching as well. But due to the customized engineered as well, so the color would not stain or fade easily as the time flies. So as the time flies or as this watch get older, it will still look attractive and new to the other people who are looking at this. So the next characteristic is the space black titanium achieves its deep color from a diamond-like coating. So when I say this, probably you can't capturize or can't imagine what is that or what does that am I bringing up to you guys. Am I right? Okay, to clear your doubt out, let me show you the picture. So in this watch, I mentioned about the space black titanium, am I right? Which has achieved its deep color from a diamond-like coating. It actually refers to this layer. Do you ever wonder this layer has a super shining black color and not a matte black color? Yeah, actually, this is what I meant about diamond-like coating. And this is super attractive when this diamond-like coating black color screen merged with a strong rectangular case with a finely brushed case with a super attractive and cool color. Am I right? Yeah, actually, this is one of the characteristics that impress most of the people who looks at it. Actually, what I looked as well, the first time when I looked about this product and the cool colors and about the straps, everything, I was super impressed with the engineering inside the watch. Okay, what kind of product that come to a market without having a function? There must be a function for a product to come up or rise up in our market. Am I right? Okay, as in this watch has its own function as well. Okay, the first function is this watch helps us to keep track of the time. Probably you'll be wondering, yeah, this is normal watch, am I right? So you'll be like, even my watch, my normal watch also, I can just slide my wrist to my face and I can see what's the time now. Actually, yeah, in this watch also, to be honest, I agree that all the watches' main function for us is for us to keep track of time and to not lose our time. So we can just slide our wrist and look at our face and look at the time, date, or any other details we want, rather not to all the way slide our phone from our pocket or bag just to on the phone and look at the time, so we can save our time and energy. Actually, not much energy needed, but slightly energy needed. Okay, so as that common function could not differentiate this Apple smartwatch series 5 with any other watches, but there is additional features where it can perfectly differentiate this watch with any other watches. Is what, through this watch we can communicate with our friends, family, or anyone. Basically, this is like a secondary phone for us. We can even call our friend, attend their call, WhatsApp our friend, use the social media such as Telegram, Instagram, or anything. So we don't have to on our phone always and just look through our messages, type everything. We can just easily slide our wrist to our face and type whatever we want in one finger, two finger, or maybe three finger if you're really good in this. So as what my partner has explained, always on retina display. So this is one of the function that helps the retina display. So by just sliding our watch, we can communicate, we can use WhatsApp. So probably we can't really feel the notification came on our phone, right? But once this phone is synchronized with, sorry, once this Apple Watch is synchronized with our phone, automatically the notification or the messages or the call would be transferred to the watch as well. So we can answer from the watch, communicate, or anything. So this makes our life easy, am I right? So yes, guys. So probably by us promoting this watch, you'll be wondering, wow, this is great, am I right? Yeah, please go have a look at the Apple Store and anywhere which is convenient for you and have a look at this product. This is super amazing product, guys. Come on. You will be super impressed and amazed with the product, and I can guarantee about that. And that's it from all of us, sorry, from both of us. And thank you very much for listening to our products presentation, and have a good day. Thank you.